Hi, in this video I'll be giving you a rundown on all the therapeutic effects you can get using a vibration massager with the things you need to use it, such as the best frequencies and the clinical applications. In other words, what happens when you pop a vibration massager like this on. Now, I'll be discussing the benefits listed here, and as you can see I'll put down the times for each, so you can flip forward to any section you like. Now, if you're after more details or scientific references, I'll link an article with them in the description. Now, I'll be mentioning vibration frequencies a lot, and as you'll see, they're pretty important. Now, they're measured in hertz, which is cycles per second. Now, for example, 50 hertz is a common therapeutic frequency, and that means the vibrating pad on the massager goes up and down 50 times a second. Now, if you pop a vibration massager on, it will increase your blood flow. Now, 30 hertz has a good effect, but 50 hertz is even better. And even when you take the massager away, the effects last for about 15 minutes. Now, one very special application of this is cellulite massage. Now, the main cause of cellulite is poor circulation in the affected tissues, resulting in less efficient reabsorption of fats. Now, if you keep using the vibration massager over time, the increased circulation will allow the fats to be reabsorbed. And in clinical trials, that's given a long-term reduction in the size and improved appearance. Now, I'll link more about that in the description. Now, the next main effect of vibration is to relax your muscles. Now, this will happen using from 20 to 60 hertz. Now, if you remember, I said the vibration frequency was important. In this case, if you use 100 to 200 hertz, it'll do the exact opposite and cause your muscles to tighten. Now, relaxing muscles and increasing blood flow are the main benefits of most massages, whether it's for simple relaxation, relieving tired muscles after a hard day's work, or as part of a rehabilitation program. Now, using a vibration massager at about 50 hertz will do this really well. Now, some massages advertise that they'll reduce pain. Now, the main way therapeutic massages reduce pain is by helping with things that cause pain, such as tight muscles. However, the vibration at around 100 hertz will neurologically block pain. Now, that's the same principle as a TENS machine. Now, as you'll find, most of the therapeutic benefits happen at 30 to 60 hertz, so most of the therapeutic massages don't do 100, and at high speed can have undesirable effects such as causing the muscles to tighten off disgust. Now, if you've had cramps or spasms before, now they're caused by neurological reflexes. Now, these reflexes are generally useful, such as helping protect your muscles if they get overstretched, but as you can see, they can sometimes lock on and not let go. Now, when this happens, vibrations from 30 to 50 hertz will suppress these reflexes. Now, there's a couple of main applications for this. Now, the first is trigger points, which are those tender lumps in your muscles that shoot pain when therapists press on them, and they go on to be part of the most pain syndromes such as back, neck and shoulder pain. Now, those lumps are where the reflexes lock on and tighten part of the muscle. Now, the vibration massage is the best treatment for these. Now, the vibrations stop the reflex so they let go. Plus, as you've seen, they relax the muscle, increase the blood flow, which helps flush them out. Now, I'll link more information about that in the description. Now, the other application is what I call a lead stretching. Now, remember I said the reflexes are protective mechanisms to stop you stretching your muscles too far. Now, some gymnasts use 30 hertz on their muscles to stop that and stretch a bit further. Now, this is only for elite people who know what they're doing and not something I'm recommending. Now, on the subject of stretching, vibrations from 40 to 50 hertz will lengthen your muscles about the same as doing stretching exercises. Now, this would be extremely useful if you can't use stretching or if it's difficult to isolate the muscles you want to stretch. Now, let's look at an example of each. Now, the first is an example of where you can't use stretches. Now, if you injure your ankle and immobilize it, your calf muscles will tighten. Now, you can't stretch them because that requires you to bend your ankle, which would cause further damage to the joint. Now, that's why it's immobilized. However, you can apply vibrations to the muscles and prevent them from shortening. Now, the other use is where you cannot easily isolate the muscles you want to stretch. Now, the best example is your spine. Now, for example, I've got 7 joints in my neck. Now, if I want to stretch the muscles associated with joint 3, I can't. Now, if I do a neck stretch like this, it's trying to bend all 7, and it's going to be mainly in the line of least resistance, which will probably be some of the other joints. Now, however, if I place the massager directly over joint 3, I'll just get those muscles. Now, I'll link more about that in the description. Now, popular use of massages to help recover after exercising. Now, clinical trials have shown that if you apply vibrations from 30 to 65 Hz, there'll be less soreness in your muscles and they'll recover faster. Now, in the trials, they've done the vibration massage before exercise, after exercise, and then daily during recovery. Now, if you have your own massager, you might as well do them all. Again, more info in the description. Now, vibration massage can also be used to increase performance, and I'm going to share with you the 3 main ways they do it. Now, the first is directly applying the vibrations before competing. Now, scientists have found that the vibrations enable the nervous system to stimulate more receptors in the muscles, giving a higher maximum contraction force and increasing muscular effort. Now, I found 21 trials where they've done this, and in general, 5 to 50 Hz with short applications works well. Now, having regular massages also helps. Now, one example, during a training camp for athletes, they were given 45 to 50 Hz vibration massage each evening with great results. Now, the last way that vibration massages increase performance is to help remove things that inhibit performance. Now, the main culprits are those trigger points I mentioned before. Now, they can have a profound effect on performance, including reducing strength, causing rapid fatigue, and altering neurological control. Now, I'll link an article about that in the description. Now, the last major effect I'll be discussing is speeding and improving healing. And there's been animal experiments where the scientists have done deliberate injuries and monitored their healing, and they've found that a daily 30-minute application of 45 Hz dramatically sped and improved healing, including speeding wound healing, speeding the growth of muscle fibers, reducing the amount of scar tissue, increasing the level of growth hormones, increasing angiogenesis, which is the formation of blood vessels, and increasing the rate of nerve growth. Now, I'll link an article with details, but we'll share with you a couple of examples here. Now, the first is a cross-section of muscle fibers. Now, the left healed normally while the right had the vibration. And as you can see, the muscle fibers that had the vibration have grown much bigger. Now, in the next, the white-grey stuff in the slide on the left is scar tissue. Now, there's a lot on the muscle on the left that healed normally, but hardly any on the one on the right, which had the vibration. Now, they're the benefits. Now, let's look at some practical advice on how to get them. Now, using vibration massage is incredibly easy. Now, I'll link the guide in the description, but basically all you need to do is place the pad of the vibration massager over where you wish to massage and let the vibrations penetrate. Now, the main mistake we see is colleagues use techniques they've learned for conventional massage, such as pushing the head in and moving it around. Now, as the diagram shows, it's a bit like using axe techniques with a chainsaw. Now, because vibration massage is so easy and safe, if you have the right equipment and advice, you can easily do effective therapy at home. Now, many clinics supply our massages to their clients for this purpose. Now, the main benefits of this occur where patients need more therapy than the clinic can provide or the patient can afford. Now, some examples include recovery massages after sports or exercises, performance increasing massages as I've discussed, chronic myofascial issues is long-standing, cellulite massages I've discussed, and any other management that requires a large number of applications of massage or soft tissue therapy. Now, to do this, you'll need a proper massager that has a strong mechanism designed to transmit vibrations and can operate in the 40 to 50 Hz range where most of these benefits occur. Now, I'll link an article on how to choose one in the description. However, most of the vibrating massages you'll see are not appropriate. Now, the first of these is what I'll call a consumer massager. Now, a study conducted a few years ago found that manufacturers of massages built for the public to use at home were concerned more about how the machines looked on shop shelves rather than how they worked. Now, the result is that machines that look good but have little therapeutic benefits. Now, as an example, the factory that builds our massages sent me this machine. Now, like most of this type of machine, it came with a host of cheap gimmick plastic heads, so we glued on a decent one. Now, when we tried it, the head only went up and down 1 to 2 millimeters rather than the 4 to 5 needed for effective vibration transfer. Now, where a proper professional machine will send vibrations right through you, this machine just buzzed the surface. Now, the other unsuitable machines are massage guns or percussion massagers. Now, they're designed to drive the heads into your muscles rather than deliver vibrations. Now, because of this, they deliver far less vibrations and they're at the wrong frequency. Now, the easiest way to explain is to use this diagram. Now, the machine on the left is a genuine vibration massager. Now, you can see it has a large pad descending copious amounts of therapeutic vibrations deep into your muscles. Now, the tool on the right is a T-bar that massage therapists use to deliver deep, usually painful pressure. Now, the machine in the middle is a massage gun or percussion massager, and its head goes up and down a lot further, and it's designed to drive into your muscles. Now, basically, it's a T-bar with a jackhammer mechanism. Now, as you can see, compared with the vibration massager, the massage gun delivers far less therapeutic vibrations and is much more likely to hurt you. Now, it's worse still because massage guns can't be used at the therapeutic frequencies that we've seen have the most benefits. Now, the most effective is around 50 Hz. Now, professional massage guns drive their heads into your muscles 12 to 16 millimeters. Now, driving something 12 to 16 millimeters into your muscles 50 times a second would cause serious damage. So that's why theraguns have a maximum of 40 Hz, but even that's way too fast. Now, survey professionals found that most use their massage guns on slow or medium. Now, this means that they're operating way outside the effective frequency range. Now, the reality is that genuine vibration massages are not that common, and most are designed for professionals like myself to use on patients rather than for self-use. Now, I'll picture a couple of examples here. But because of that, we built our own personal use vibration massager. Now, this is our general purpose massager. Now, the business end delivers copious amounts of therapeutic vibrations. It's got a proper ergonomically designed handle, so it's easy to use anywhere on your body. It's very easy to use controls, on and off switches underneath, and has a sliding variable speed control under your thumb. Now, over the years, we've sold over 100,000 of these without any advertising, mainly through professionals like chiropractors, osteopaths, and physiotherapists using them and recommending them to their patients. Now, more recently, we've developed our quad head machine that has all the good things of a general purpose massager, but can do a much greater area at once. And because the front part is larger and flatter, you can easily use it like a cushion or a chair massager. Now, for more information on using our vibration massagers or the machines, please see our website. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate. Hey, thanks so much for watching. It's been most appreciated.